Najib Balala. Najib Balala is the current CS for tourism, and also is a Kenyan politician actually. Najib Balala is the immediate former MP for Mvita. Najib Balala doubles up as the party leader of the Republican Congress Party of Kenya, the RCBK, which formed a coalition with the Jubilee Party during the last elections. Najib Balala was born in 20th September around 1967. Najib Balala has one wife and he has been blessed with 4 kids, whereby it's not much about his kids, and his family is not known is not in the public domain. Najib Balala attended the Serani Boys for his primary school education, whereby he later joined the Kakamega Boys High School for his high school studies, and later he went to the University of Toronto for his degree in business administration and international urban management and the leadership. It's said that Najib Balala also attended the John F. Kennedy School of Government, which is in America, USA. Najib Balala has been serving in the government different faculties, you can say. In the year 1993 to 1996, Najib Balala was the secretary of the Swahili culture. 1996 to 1999, Najib Balala was the chairman for the Coast Tourist Association. 1998 to 1999, Najib Balala became the mayor of Mombasa. The year 2000 to 2003, Najib Balala was the chairman, Chamber of Commerce and Industries in Mombasa. In the year 2002 to 2007, Najib Balala became the MP for Mvita. In the year 2003 to 2004, he became the Minister for Gender, Sports, Culture and Social Services. In the year 2003, from January to June, he was the acting Minister for Labour. In the year 2005, from June to November, he was the Minister for National Heritage. He bounced back to Parliament in 2007. To 2013, he was the member of Movita again, member of Parliament for Movita. In the year 2011 to 2012, he served as the chairman for the UNWTO Executive Council. In the year 2008 to 2012, Najib Balala was the Minister for Tourism. In the year 2013 to 2015, he served also as the CS for mining. Remember, the new constitution, we talk about the CS cabinet secretaries, and from 2015 to date, he has been serving as the minister, the CS for tourism and wildlife. All along, Balala's, from the whole time of his serving, we can see that Balala has gained a lot of respect in the government, and he has bagged himself some awards and recognitions. For example, like the Africa Investor in the year 2009, Balala also was the best Minister for Tourism. Balala also was the chairman for UNWTO, World Tourism Organization. Balala also bagged himself the Elder of Golden Heart medal by the president. He also earned himself he bagged himself with the Silver Star medal by the president again. Balala served as the vice president, UNWTO Tourism Organization. So those are part of the awards that he has bagged for himself. But one thing that has been funny is the latest moves of Balala. the name Najib Balala is fading very, very fast from the public domain, and to be specific, the Mombasa politics. The name Najib Balala so far is not emerging at all. There is an emergence of the name of Omar Sarai, Suleiman Shabal, other people, other coastal leaders, the name of Aisha Jumwa. They are making strides. Unlike Balala, the name Balala so far, we don't know where his stand is, and is not known. Either is aligned with Raila and is Azimio, or is aligned with the Hustler Nation of William Ruto. So he has not specified where he belongs so far. And it is high time to save his political career. He needs to align himself with one camp so that it may be known in that when there shall be there shall be dockets that shall be out, when the slots shall be allocated, you get that he shall have a docket. That one will save his political life, because so far, as much as the name is fading very fast from the Mombasa politics, doesn't mean he's eating the death for his political career. So Najib Balala, it's high time you specify where you belong. You are either with Raila or you are with Ruto. Otherwise, you're dead on arrival. Because even if you vie right now, who knows you? Where are you? Where have you been? What have you been doing? So you need to prove that you are capable of delivering to the people of Mombasa. You are capable of doing things that others who came before you never did. Try to convince people. Before you convince them now, you need to tell us, you need to tell Kenya, you need to tell the country where you belong. Because you remember, Najib Balala, you are a national figure. There's a time you wanted to be the president of Kenya. We remember the time of the Pentagon that aligned with you, whereby you were with Raila, Ruto, Jonyaga, and others. In 2005, it was a boom. But you had to shelve your ambitions and you supported Raila. But as of late, you are not known where you are. So it's high time you need to do something so that to prove that you are loyal. On your politics, you are a man on a mission, and on the mission you are in is a mission to deliver the people of Coast from point A to point B, to do what the likes of us and Joe never did. So when you come in, you can do them. You need also to advise those who are in power or who shall be in power on how to deliver. Because I understand you have a vast record of being in the public service, so you have much to deliver. So it's high time you need to tell us what people need to know about Najib Balala.